The iPhone 17 Pro Max, anticipated for release in September 2025, is poised to be Apple's most advanced smartphone yet. Building upon the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it introduces significant enhancements in design, performance, and camera capabilities. Design and build. Apple is reportedly transitioning from the titanium frame used in previous models to a new half-aluminum, half-glass back design. This change aims to improve durability while maintaining wireless charging capabilities. The device is expected to be slightly thicker to accommodate a larger battery. Mac rumors. A notable design shift includes a new rectangular camera bump extending across the upper body of the phone, reminiscent of Google's Pixel series. This redesign not only offers a fresh aesthetic, but also houses upgraded camera components. +1. Display. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to retain its 6.9-inch display with 120 Hz per motion refresh rate. However, improvements in display durability are anticipated, with a more scratch-resistant cover glass enhancing the screen's resilience. Mac rumors. Performance. At its core, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature Apple's next-generation A19 Pro chip, built on an enhanced 3-nanometer process. This advancement promises increased efficiency and performance. Complementing the new chip, the device is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, up from 8 GB in the previous model, facilitating smoother multitasking and better support for advanced features. To manage the increased performance, Apple is rumored to implement vapor chamber cooling technology, improving thermal management during intensive tasks. Mac rumors. Camera innovations. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to revolutionize mobile photography with an all-48-megapixel rear camera system, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The upgraded telephoto lens is expected to offer 3.5x optical zoom, optimized for portrait photography, and the capability to simulate 5x zoom through cropping.